If you have a case of RBF, you are going to absolutely destroy your social life and not even know how you sabotaged it. Let's see what we can do to fix that and before your social life goes down for the count. Okay, first off, RBF. Let's define what that is. In a politically correct sense, let's call it resting bored face, or sometimes resting angry face, or resting sad face. These are all variations of pretty much the same thing, which is a negative emotion displayed on our face, which doesn't truly match what might be going on inside of us. So people pick up on that and give us a bit of negative feedback. So, what that might look like is people saying stuff to you like, oh, are you tired? Or are you having a bad day? Or, is something bothering you? If you've ever had people say things that like that to you on a regular basis and wondered why, the reason is probably the normal look on your face. And in all honesty, we don't think much about what our face looks like to other people as we go about our day. And the reason for that is most of us are on autopilot. And the last thing we want to have to worry about is what does my face look like as I'm trying to get things done, right? I mean, we just don't think about that. But at the same time, for some of us, the actual look on our face could be very off-putting to people. And it's very useful to know that. So when people give you feedback like that, instead of getting upset or angry at them for those comments, you should actually welcome that because that actually gives you an opportunity to visit that issue and see, do I have a problem here? Is this something I should do something about? And truly, you don't have to do something about it if you don't want to. But if you want to have a better social life, I think it's worth taking a look at. And even if you're not somebody who gets these type of comments, I think we could all step into the bathroom and take a look at what's going on with our resting face just to know where we are as at a baseline level. So that's the first thing we do. Step into your bathroom, take a look in the mirror. Put the look on your face that you would just normally have when you're just out in public, not paying too much attention, or, you're focused on something, not necessarily interacting with people. And don't try to game the mirror, okay? See if you can just put whatever that normal look would be. And take a look at that and try to be truly honest with yourself. Is it a welcoming look? Is it a pleasing look? You're probably looking at it and saying, it's just my look, I don't really, when I'm by myself or just sitting out in public, I don't really make an effort to do anything special with my face. That's what most of us do, right? But if you're one of those people who has a face that is not naturally welcoming, it's really worth trying to do something about this. So this is how you do it. And you know what? I'm going to try to be like your best girlfriend here. I'm going to be like totally honest. And even if you're a guy, I have 4 brothers and plenty of girlfriends, so I can operate in either capacity here. So that's to say, I'm just going to give it to you straight, and you can do with it what you will. But here's the thing. So in order to fix this, you need to fix it not just when you go out in public. You need to develop the habit at home. So when you're by yourself, I don't care if you're online, if you're making your lunch, you're making your bed, if you make your bed, whatever you're doing in your normal day, put a little bit of a smile on your face. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're sitting there thinking, I am not going to be going around with this ridiculous grin. It's going to hurt my face. It's going to make me crabby, ironically. And it's just not going to feel authentic. So if you're thinking those things, that is not what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about this big, ridiculous smile. I'm talking about just a slight smile, just what I call a hint of a smile. It takes less than a calorie of effort. It will never be a diet. Let me put it to you that way. Less than a calorie of effort to put just a hint of a smile on your face. Go into the bathroom mirror and try this slight smile. And the key to making it really look and feel authentic is the involvement of your eyes. If your eyes get involved with it, that changes everything. And by changes everything, I mean it really conjures up inside yourself a sense of energy. It will actually shift your mood. So a hint of a smile involving your eyes Get that on your face. Look in the mirror to see what that looks like and to feel what that looks like on your face. So you can readily call up this smile when you're sitting at your desk or sitting at your kitchen table or sitting at your car. There's nothing that'll freak out other drivers more than smiling at them when you're in traffic. So great place to practice. So work on that at home and develop that into a habit. That way, when you're out in public, people will find you approachable, and at the same time you will also have a better mood and a better energy level just by putting that smile on your face. This is actually one of the easiest social fixes that I can think of, because a lot of things take a ton of practice. This does not. This is something that you could just go into your bathroom mirror, see what's going on there, and make up your mind to do it. And it's the easiest thing in the world to practice and will make a huge difference in your social life. I swear, it'll make a huge difference in your mental energy level. Now, if you're not feeling joy in your heart naturally, that's a whole other subject for another video. So please hit like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll be hitting all those great topics.